We done the street on top of the game. We done the power with them good niggas. We done see no cool guy on the street. On the street boys, I'm seeming like me call me Cypher. Like me call me Cypher.
I'm going to mask all the entire roof. This Photoshop, this not AutoCAD. So I've masked everything. So I've separated the roof from the what we call the building. As you can see, I want to change the color of the roof. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to change the color of the roof. So I have to now place it in my footage. As you can see the roof now, the color have changed from how it was. So this is a facial board. As you can see the small piece, that's a facial board. I'm trying to fix it in the building. As you can see it, to make sure everything is in order. After that, erase the part where that is not necessary. And this is a normal raincoat roof that I'm trying to now put. This is amazing. This is a secret these broad companies use to win their contracts. As you can see, I'm now changing it from that toy roof to a normal natural roof. As you can see, I'm erasing the parts that is not necessary. It is simple to do it, very simple. So I have to do it to the other side, the same thing. What is about erasing and making sure it's in the right order. As you can see, I'm almost done. If we have to design the wall, we can't leave the wall like that. As you can see, I'm designing the wall now. Although Photoshop is even more better than what we call AutoCAD. After doing the plan, you have to use Photoshop to finish up the plan. I have to fix my doors. I'm fixing my doors, my modern doors, and my modern windows. Now, as you can see, I'm fixing my windows now. I have to make sure everything is in order. I'm doing this thing fast because I don't have enough time. As you can now see, I even fixed my pillars, and I want to put this car footage in the building. As you can see now, yeah, just follow me. I have put my contact and all those, and that's Real Tech Architect. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your day. Then keep subscribing for more videos from me. Thank you.